Chapter 68. We should have a party, Lindsay says. Dad reels back. A party? Yeah, let's have a bunch of people over to watch The Daily Show together. I don't know, Dad says. It's school night. Lindsay puts a hand on her hip and gives Dad the look. Okay, he says. I get it. This is a really big deal. Yeah, she shrieks. My little brother's video is going to be on The Daily Show. She messes up my hair. I duck out of the way and say, quit it, but inside it feels really good. Dad scratches his chin. I guess we could invite Alan Drummond and Ellen Wexler and Sherry and the kids, Bubby says, and a couple of my friends, Lizzie chimes in, and Sophie, I say. Elliot elbows me in the ribs, and her mom, Dad says, and Tommy Murphy, Elliot says. Lindsay grabs a pillow from the couch and chucks it at him. Kidding, I was kidding. He puts his arms up in self-defense. It feels so good to have Elliot back. Dad scans the room. I guess if we move the coffee table out and add some chairs, and I'll make appetizers, Bubby says. I'll make 7-layer dip, Lindsay says. And we should have popcorn, I say. Thinking of the night Mom and I camped out and watched The Daily Show together. Popcorn's good, Bubby says, and punch. I'll make a big bowl of fruit punch. Dad looks around again, like he's imagining the room full of people. His gaze stops at the tuba. He walks to the corner and picks it up with a grunt. I guess it's time we got rid of this thing. My heart squeezes. I remember that awful night with Mom and Dad and the tuba. Lindsay slides up beside Dad. Definitely, she says. Let's put it on Craigslist. Or eBay, Elliot says. My cousin sold a pair of used shoes on eBay and got $20. We're in the garbage, Bubby says, crossing her arms. I take a deep breath. I have a better idea. Everyone looks at me.